Okay, so I am doing a Naruto tier list. The reason being, I just never told you guys about the characters I like and dislike. I just never, like, in 2 years of making NXP videos, I just never talked about any of my favorite characters. I have told people that Kakashi is my favorite, but other than that, I don't think so. I've gone in depth about any of the other characters if I like or don't like them. So, what better way to tell you guys about my likes and dislikes? Than doing a tier maker. So this is, I have found this on the website only. So let's go and start. And I'm sorry it's gonna be this way. I people do tier list videos on their computer, of course, but the thing is my laptop is it's not. It will not be able. The recording will be so choppy. It will be impossible to watch. So that's why I'm doing it on my phone. I could do it in the other orientation, landscape version, but then it's difficult to swipe up and down, so I just rather do it this way. I'm sorry it's gonna be a little bit small, but okay, I guess I'll zoom a bit. So first, it is Hiruzen. I don't know, I never disliked the character, neither I was a big fan of him. In War Arc he did some decent stuff, but I guess I'll put him in A. I don't know, I neither dislike him or like him, so he's there. Darui. So in the anime, I don't care for him at all. He's B tier, but in the game, I actually liked him a lot. If you have seen my videos, I actually liked Darui a lot in the game, but for animates, he's just B tier. And then we have Might Guy. He's a S tier. He's not double S for me. He's S. Of course, he's a really good character. Might Guy, he is definitely one of people's favorites. So he's not double S tier for me. So. And people don't like Asuma that much. Wait, guess I'll have to switch some stuff up. I'll put Darui in C tier and Hiruzen in A. I mean B, and what's his name? Asuma in A. I really liked him. I mean, not liked him, but for what his arc was and his fight against Kakuzu and Hidan, I think this I enjoyed his character. I had never disliked him, so. Yeah, he is A tier for me. And then we have Choji. Really don't care. C tier. I really don't care about Choji, to be honest. Danzo. Yeah, he was quite an interesting character. I don't know how to feel about him because I hated the character, really hated him, but I don't know. Danzo as a character, I really never enjoyed him, so C tier, honestly. People would argue that he's a good written character because they make you hate him, but even after that, I still can't. I just never liked this character and didn't care for him that much, so yeah, Danzo C tier for me. Deidara, he goes to double S. I really like his character design and his character personality, everything. I just like Deidara. I wish he had done more stuff, but it is what it is. They can't there are so many characters you can see here in the list, they can't focus on everybody, so it's okay. Gaara, if you're talking about Naruto Gaara, he's double S, not double S, S tier for me. But if you are talking Boruto Gaara, he goes to straight up trash tier. I don't know why the hell did they just change his hairstyle. Why? There was literally no need for it, but you know what would be funny if we would make a serious character who's one of the most he was a really serious character in the game. He was never cracking jokes and stuff, and just give him a garbage hairstyle to make it just does not make sense. Hagoromo, I think so. That's who he is. I don't care. C tier. I really don't care for him. Haku, people really like him. For me, I don't like him more than Asuma, so B tier. He's not C tier for me, but B. It's B. And then it's Hanzo, or what, I don't know what his name was. He was that poison guy that killed, that made Nagato kill Pain. Don't care, seriously. He's trash, I really don't care about him, even less than Danzo. Hashirama is A tier. He's not S for me. He's cool and all, but again, I just did not care him for that much, but it's not I hated. I liked his character a little bit, but not as much as to put him in S or double S. Hidan goes straight to double S. You were probably shocked, why are Deidara and Hidan in double S, but Hidan, his character design is also cool, and also his personality. I just liked him being a psychopath. Sorry, but that's how I feel. Hinata, I don't care. B tier. B or she's better than Choji, so I'll give her B. And Ino, she's annoying as Choji, so I'll give her C. Okay, not trash, C tier. So yeah, I never enjoyed Ino's character either. And this is Iruka, A tier. He did stuff at the starting and then one final scene during the end of Shippuden, when Naruto asks him to be his father. Like that scene had made me cry too. So yeah, he's A tier. He was not like he. Biggest reason was he didn't do stuff in the series, was not present throughout most of the series. So like Iruka was at the start and then it moved on to Jiraiya, Kakashi and stuff. So Itachi, S or double S? I don't like Itachi as much as, yeah, it's controversial. I don't like Itachi as much as Deidara or Hidan. Why is it Jiraiya? Okay, Jiraiya, go back. Now your turn. Itachi, I'll give him S. I know it's really weird putting him below for most of people, not for me. For me, I don't like Itachi as much as Deidara or Hidan, but still like him a lot. Obito goes to double S. I don't think so there's any other Obito, like this one, yeah, Jubito only, right? Yeah, so that means Obito. So yeah, I liked Obito. Sorry, I don't know the reason. I just like most of the characters that you're gonna see in double S are just gonna be because I just found them really cool. That's it. That's the whole reason. And Jugo, don't care. Yeah, C tier. Kabuto was fine. A or B? I'm really confused. I'll give him A. He did a lot of stuff in the series. Kaguya really didn't care for her. C tier. C tier or trash? I didn't care for her. Trash. Kakashi, he should be at number 1. They move along. Kakashi, like the double S tier, any of the tiers are not in order except Kakashi. He's number 1. All right, there's nobody above him. Kakashi, he's just so cool. Like I don't have anything else to say. How many minutes have been? It's already been 7 minutes, so I'll just make it quick and not give much of an explanation. I'm just gonna tell you if you like the character or not. Kakuzu, don't care that much, but better than Choji, Ino, Jugo. So yeah, B tier. Karin goes to C. Kiba, trash, never liked him. Sasuke, for the longest time I never liked him. I started liking him once he like grew up in like Boruto and stuff. But I'll give him A. It's okay. I'll give him A. He's not that bad. Killer B is also an A for me. I didn't enjoy his character as much as above him. If I could just speak. Kimimaru or Kirimaru. Kimimaru, I think so, right? I don't care. Trash. Kisame, S tier. I really liked his character. And then Conan, C tier. I didn't care for Conan. Konohamaru, like I had hopes for him, but why is it Kankuro? Yeah, I had hopes for Konohamaru, but I don't know. C or trash. Yeah, I'll put him in trash. I don't care. Like they really did him dirty in Boruto. Like, he literally can't do anything in that series. So Jiraiya is an A. He's not an S or double S. Nowhere near close. I liked his character, but and not the personality himself, but the things he did in the show. That's what I liked about him. Not his personality. I don't like characters that are perverts and stuff in the anime. It annoys me. Sorry, I just don't like those characters. Kuranai, double S. Nah, kidding. Trash. Don't care. Madara is S. Really liked his character. Of course, at the end he got shafted, so that's some points taken away from him. But if he would have been the final winner, of course, villain, he would have been double S for sure. But it is what it is. Mizukage, she just looked good, which now even she does not look good in Boruto. I don't know what's wrong with them. They just made every character look worse, except Sasuke. I don't care. C tier. Okay, C tier is filling up. Minato is Minato S for double S? I'll put him in double S. I really like Minato's character. again, he's just so cool. Like nothing else to say. He's a really cool character. Rock Lee, many people like him. He started as being like double S. Wait, is this Rock Lee or Might Guy? Okay, so 8-Gate guy is different and Might Guy is different. Both are, for me, both are same, so both go to S. Okay, it was not. I thought it was Rock Lee for some reason. Naruto, he goes to S. I didn't have any problem with him throughout. For most of the series, for all of the series, I never had any problem with him. I enjoyed Naruto's character. Neji is A. He was a good character, but I just didn't care as much for him as I did for other characters. Toby S. He was a fun character, like especially when he was with Deidara. Yeah, those scenes were some of the hilarious scenes in Naruto. Onoki, okay, I don't know why I select one character and it selects the other one. Onoki for me, really not sure. He did some nice stuff in War. I'll put him in A tier. I guess I'll zoom out a bit. Yeah, and we have Pain. Pain goes to S tier. Again, like for most of the people that you're gonna see at the top are just because I just really found the character to be cool. Nothing else. Orochimaru, he was a really good villain. He would have been double S, but okay, Kid Naruto, go back. There are different versions of Naruto. Like Sage Mode Naruto, he was double S. If it's I just figured out like there are so many Narutos. Yeah, different Naruto. So the Sage Mode one, when he made the entry, that was one of the best scenes in the series. So yeah, he goes for double S. And then Orochimaru, as I was saying he could have been double S, but in Shippuden they didn't just made his character good. Like I don't know, the writing in Shippuden about his character, I just did not like it. So this guy, don't care, C tier, don't care about him. Kankuro, C tier. Rock Lee, A tier. In the starting he was really good, but then I selected Rock Lee and it selected Sai. I don't know why, but that rhymed, but nobody cares. Yeah, Rock Lee is A tier. Sakura, same goes with Rock Lee. Adult Sasuke goes to S. If only the power scaling was better in Boruto. He just literally loses to everybody, so it just does not make any sense. So that's why he's S. Otherwise, he would have been double S. Shikamaru, I hope there's just one version of Shikamaru. So Shikamaru goes to S. Really like this character, but not as much as the guys above him. So Shino, don't care, C tier. Normal Naruto, S tier. And this Rinnegan Sasuke, S tier. And Shisui. So I just, like at first I found Shisui really cool, but now that I think about it, he's just B tier. It was just hype for no reason. I don't know why. 6. Okay, there are different versions of Madara. Then this old Madara, just the normal one, goes to double S, and then this Ten Tails one goes to S. SS6P Naruto goes to S. Kid Naruto goes to A. I didn't like him that much when he was a kid. Suigetsu goes to C. Don't care about him. Sasori, trash. Never liked his character. Temari goes to C. Tenten goes to trash. Tobirama was cool. He'll go for S. And Sai C. Tsunade goes to... Wait, I moved Shisui down by mistake. Tsunade goes to double S. I don't think so. I need to tell you the reasons, but yeah, she goes to double S. I don't know why I'm moving characters mistakenly. So Yamato, he's A. He was okay. Zabuza was also A for me. You go to trash. Zetsu's just go to trash. So yeah, this is my tier list. The only people that matter are the SS and S tier. So who they are: Kakashi, double S, he's my favorite. Then Deidara, like the rest are not in order, just Kakashi because he needs to be at the top. Deidara, Hidan, Obito, Minato, Sage Mode Naruto. If you just talk about Naruto, overall he goes to S for me, but if you're just strictly talking about Sage Mode Naruto, he goes to S, double S. And then Tsunade and Madara, these are my SS tier characters. And then in S we have Night Guy and Gaara, Itachi, Kisame, guy, normal guy. And Toby, adult Sasuke, Pain, Orochimaru, Shikamaru. As I told you, Naruto goes in S, the SO6P2, and the Rinnegan Sasuke goes to S for me. And Tobiyama and Ten Tails Madara. So I guess that's about my list. Let me know if you agree or disagree, or kind of tell me who your favorite character in who your favorite characters in Naruto are. So that's it. I don't want to drag the video out for another minute. It's already been 15 minutes, so that's more than enough. So I guess I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. I'll meet you in the next one.